What's up, guys? Today we're going to be using Glances to turn our Raspberry Pi 3 into a dedicated PC monitor.
We're going to start by heading over to Nico Largo's GitHub and drop him a star for keeping the project up to date. And if we scroll down, we can see that Glances is available on multiple platforms, so if we're on the same network, we can check the status of our PC from any device. And just to give you a quick rundown of what it does, Glances is an open source system cross-platform monitoring tool. It allows real-time monitoring of various aspects of your system, such as your CPU, memory, disk, network uses, etc. It also allows monitoring of running processes, logged in users, temperatures, voltages, fan speeds, etc. It also supports container monitoring. It supports different container management systems such as Docker and LXC. Now let's get started. We're going to need Python.
So we're going to head over to python.org and download the latest 64-bit version. And once that's done downloading, we can open up the file. And then we're going to make sure we click on Add Python to Path. Then we're going to click Install Now and wait for it to install. Now I sped this up so you guys didn't have to watch, but as always, all the commands are going to be in the description. So we're going to start by opening up our Raspberry Pi imager, click on Raspberry Pi 3. Then we're going to go down to Raspberry Pi Other OS. And we're going to click on the full 64-bit version with Trixie. Click on our SD card. Now we're going to name our Raspberry Pi and set up our keyboard. And this is the important part. We have to set up our Wi-Fi credentials so that way our Raspberry Pi can talk to our PC. I always enable SSH. You don't have to if you don't want to. It just makes things a little bit easier. So we're going to go ahead and start the writing process. Now that that's finished, we're going to head over to our PC and open up PowerShell. And now that we have Python, we're going to type in install Glances. Now we're going to insert our SD card to our Raspberry Pi 3. Now we're going to open up our terminal. And we're going to update our repositories. Now we're going to type in sudo apt install Glances. Oh, I spelled sudo wrong. Click Y and wait for that to finish. And now back over on our PC, we're going to type in Glances-S. And we can see that we're running on port 61209. And our IP is going to be 10.0025. On our Raspberry Pi, we're going to type in Glances-C along with our PC's IP address. Now back on our PC, we're going to open up a new terminal and then we're going to type in Glances-W. And now we're up and running. So now we're going to go back over to our Raspberry Pi and open up our browser. And because this is our first time using our browser, we're going to have to put in our network password. Now we're going to click on our address bar, type in http:// our PC's IP address, :61208 for our port number. And you now have a dedicated performance monitor for your PC that you can monitor from any device on your network. You can see what's causing the most issues, what's taking up the most memory, and shut it down. And as a bonus, I'm going to show you how to get Glances to launch from an icon on your desktop. We're going to go to Start and then open up Notepad. Then we're going to paste this command. Just be sure to replace your IP with the one on the bottom line. Now we're going to save as. I'm going to title mine Home. Just make sure you save it as a .bat file. And save it under All Files. Now we can exit that. Now we're going to pull over our file, double click it, pull over our terminal window, and you see it starts right up. So I brought out my Android phone and figured we might as well test it on this too. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Having Glances on a dedicated monitor while also being able to access it from my phone has been super helpful for monitoring my PC's workload. Hopefully you guys found this as easy to install as I did, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Remember, stay safe out there. Privacy is currency.